Things always happen if you're not the camera on it. Hello everybody, today I'll be working with this one. Last week I had some problems with it. For the time being I used this passive hub, and yeah, let's see if the repair is working. And just as I put everything together, I saw the recording was not at the right speed, so all the footage might be lost. So what I've done, I've opened this one, replaced the old unit, the old power unit with filtering, which has completely leaked and is destroyed. Replaced it with a new one. The size is exactly the same, and now it's turning on again. This is a unit switchable 110 to 20, but I hardwired it to the 220 to 40, which is also listed on here. You can turn this little wheel and connect everything for other voltage. But when I now apply power, it works. Only the transformer is humming a little, so maybe I'll replace that one for switching power supply, but it's working. Hopefully I can connect to my network. I'm having problems with this passive hub. One of my display stations is connecting to the temporary PS2E server without any problem. As soon as I turn on my Model 80, the connection to that machine is lost. My other machine over there, Model 55, is connecting without any problem to both servers. So yeah, hopefully it's something in the wiring, and this hub is not handling it great. So I'll test it with this one. So the Model 80 is powering on. Now there will be a lot of noise in the background because that machine is making a lot of noise. And I'll come back when everything is working. I've got one machine on at the moment, and turn on the display station and see if it can reach the Model 80. This one is directly turned on, as you can see. The Model 80, after loading, the driver was turning the output on. So a little different card in it. And now I'll show you the computer. It's working. Oh, it's connected and booted out of the server. I don't know what the problem was. maybe some of the cabling is not correct and passive hub is not liking it, and the active hub is compensating one of the cables. So maybe one of the cables is not the right cable for Arcnet, what I'm running at the moment. So I think everything is working again. Thank you for watching and see you next time.